Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on devices. Oh my bad, devices. And on the devices page you should see your Huawei Watch GT 5. Tap on it to select it. Here scroll down and find the category called watch faces. If you're missing this category, it could be because when you install the Huawei Health application for the first time, you were asked to select a region, and possibly you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. And if it is the case, you could try to reinstall the application and select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. Okay, once you find the watch faces category, tap on more and it will open the Huawei store basically for the watch faces. You can scroll through the list, find something you like. As you can see, for some of them you need to pay, but if you want to find the free ones, select the free category. And here we have the list of free watch faces. There's quite a few of them. So find the watch face you like to use, tap on it to select it, and then tap on install button, and it's gonna start downloading and installing on your watch. And once it's done, it's gonna be applied. And you can download multiple ones if you like to. So let's install this one too. You don't need to tap on the watch face, you can tap on the install button under it to basically quickly install it. Okay, and once you're done installing your watch faces, you can also go back to the main page of the store, tap on mine, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch. And you can switch between them by tapping on one and tapping on set as default, but you can also remove them by tapping on the bin icon and tapping on OK. And it's gonna be removed from your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.